Hello. I am a C programmer.
Please, tell me more.
I have a deep and abiding understanding of void pointers and triple indirection. I use the C programming language to develop all my applications.
What about the client-side code in your web applications?
Everyone knows that the client side is not secure. No code should run on the client side. I am a C programmer. All my code runs on the server side.
How do you perform client-side input validation as a convenience for the end user?
I am a C programmer. I do not need to learn JavaScript. I am a C programmer. I do not need array index validation. Someday I may want to use a negative number as an index. The declared size of an array is simply advisory anyway.
What about modern data types that resize dynamically, such as collections and vectors?
As I have already stated, I am a C programmer. Runtime resizing of arrays and complex data structures is time-consuming and causes unnecessary code bloat. I am a C programmer. It is a violation of natural law to resize an array after the compilation step.
Even Visual Basic 6 provided a methodology for resizing arrays at runtime. The rich set of third-party classes available for PHP and a virtually universal portability of the language may be of interest to you.
I am a C programmer. I do not recognize interpreted languages as valid software engineering tools. They are an abomination. All programs should be compiled and linked to the target processor for optimal performance.
What tool do you use to write your build scripts?
I am a C programmer. I wrote one build script in 1982 and it still works.
The loosely typed nature of C language expressions sometimes causes inadvertent logic errors that may not surface for many years after the release of a product.
The implicit conversions between data types is completely deterministic, except when it's not. I am a C programmer. I possess a deep understanding of sign extension and floating point representation methodologies.
What tools do you use to develop user interfaces for desktop applications?
I am a C programmer. I do not program user interfaces unless they are console-based. I read from standard in and I write to standard out. I do not involve myself with mouse clicks and event-driven programming. Graphical user interface development should be contracted out to graphic designers.
So, you're using a language that was invented in 1972 for in-house use to develop an operating system. Your job prospects must be golden.
I am a C programmer. I will always have a job developing embedded systems that require custom hardware implementations and small code footprints.
You mean, like wireless phones?
Yes, because I am a C programmer.